How to lock Facebook profile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. Now tap on your profile icon. Make sure you do not have a professional account. In that case, if you have, simply turn back to non-professional account and personal account. After that, tap on this three dot. Then you will find an option of lock profile and unlock profile. If you have locked a profile, you will find an option of unlocking it. So here you go, and after unlocking, I will unlock it and lock it for you again. Now my profile is unlocked. Now in order to lock it again, tap on the three dot and then go to lock profile, select lock your profile, and your profile will be locked. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.